This tutorial will show you how to make a face shield to protect yourself from coronavirus droplets. To make this face shield, you will need elastic head wrap, rubber foam, a stapler, scissors, and tape, as well as transparency film or sheet protector. To make the mask, take a piece of transparency film, then take a segment of rubber foam, cut it to a length of about 4 inches, stick it on top of the transparency film, then take an elastic headband, cut it at the seam, next take the stapler. With the elastic headband, you want to put it on the opposite side of the foam. So place it on the back, then you will take the stapler and staple the headband to the film. Then do this to the other side, making sure to keep the headband opposite to the side of the film. Staple that down. Next, take a segment of tape and stick it to one side and then wrap it around to cover both sides of the elastic. Do this to both sides. Now, if you do not have elastic head wrap, you can use ribbon. Cut 2 segments to about 13 inches and then staple it to both sides and tape it. When the mask is done, the foam will go on your forehead and the elastic will go around the back of your head. This mask will prevent droplets from getting in your eyes and your mouth. With the ribbon ones, the foam will still go on your forehead, but you have to tie it around the back of your head. When you are done using the mask, a good idea is to remove the protective part from this sticky part on the foam so that you know the mask is used and nobody else will pick up a contaminated mask. Once you have made your masks, we recommend storing them in a protective bag like these to protect the mask from contamination.